In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meme coin on Pumpfun for 10 bucks. One of the biggest reasons people use Pumpfun is that it makes launching a meme coin surprisingly simple and relatively inexpensive. The platform handles the smart contract side and the basic liquidity mechanics for you, so you do not need to be a developer to get started. In general, you'll want a small amount of Solana in your wallet for the launch itself, plus a little extra if you plan to buy some of your own token right away. Before you go to the platform, the first thing you need is a Solana wallet. A popular option is Phantom, and another common choice is Solflare. You can install one through your browser or mobile app store, then create your wallet and make sure you safely store your recovery phrase offline. Never share that phrase with anyone. Once your wallet is ready, fund it with Solana either by buying Sol directly through the wallet or by transferring it in from an exchange. Next, prepare all of your coin details ahead of time. This part matters because once your coin is launched, those details cannot be changed. You'll need a token name, which is the full name people will see, and a ticker or symbol, which is the short abbreviation. You'll also want a short description that explains the vibe or idea behind the coin in a catchy way. Finally, prepare an image or logo. A square image in PNG or JPG format works best. And this is especially important because the visual is usually the first thing people notice. Once all of that is ready, head over to the official Pumpfun website. In the top right corner, click Connect and link your Solana wallet. After that, click Create to begin the launch process. You'll be prompted to fill in your coin name, ticker, description, and upload your image. Take a moment to review everything carefully before moving forward, since accuracy here is important. During creation, you may also see the option to pre-buy a small amount of your own coin. This means the platform creates the coin and buys that amount in the same block. If you want to proceed, confirm the transaction in your wallet. There is usually a small minting fee, so make sure you have enough SOL available. After launch, your coin begins trading on what's called a bonding curve. This is the pricing mechanism that determines the token's cost automatically. Early buyers usually get in at lower prices, and as more people buy, the price rises. If the coin grows enough to reach roughly a $90,000 market cap, it can graduate to a decentralized exchange environment where a permanent liquidity pool is created. That's the full process, and now you know how to launch your meme coin on Pumpfun.